It's coming, you go. Come. Hi guys, my name is Mahesh and today I'm riding R15 V3, the BS6 variant, and I must say it's pretty cool. You have to lean quite a bit if you're not used to this kind of super sport motorcycles. You have to lean quite a lot. And this thing is super aggressive. Oh my god. Already, not even 500 meters or so, already I feel it's very aggressive. And I must say the motorcycle is super light as well. Definitely one of the best entry-level motorcycles you can buy in the country by a huge margin. If you love this kind of super sport riding, hands down, this is the motorcycle to go. But it requires a certain amount of commitment to ride this motorcycle. Very aggressive, very back paining. The honk is kind of funny, but that will do. I absolutely love this riding posture. It is very paining though, but yes, I like it. Nonetheless, I like it. What I have to say about the motorcycle, it's super light, super easy. The clutch is extremely light. The gear shifts, they are amazing. Finding neutral is also brilliant, and that's what the brand is known for making some super light motorcycles with great performance on offer. It's really sad that Yamaha doesn't sell its R3 anymore, and some say the R3 BS6 is yet to come, but even the guys at Yamaha showroom, they are not very sure when and in what avatar it would be available. Yamaha makes some really cool motorcycles, but the problem is they don't bring it here in India. First ride and I'm totally impressed. This is the motorcycle. Trust me, this is the motorcycle. If you love super sports, if you want to be a god of cornering one day, trust me, this is where you have to start with. This is the first step where you have to start. And this engine, it's brilliant, guys. Oh my goodness. The speedometer, the console, everything just absolutely smashing. the engine, it's super smooth, brilliant refinement. The handling is the key of the motorcycle. It's amazing. That's the reason Yamaha R15 is doing so well in the Indian markets. That's the reason people buy it so much.